Okay, this is question 5.88, losing cargo. We have a box resting on the bed of a truck, and the truck stops at a stop sign and then starts to move with an acceleration of 2.2 meters per second squared. And the box is 1.8 meters from the back of the truck, and we want to know how long until the box falls off the truck. So the first thing here, we know how the truck is accelerating, but we want to figure out how the box is accelerating. So to do that, we want to set up Newton's second law. So we have, if we think about this box sitting on the truck, it's going to be moving in the horizontal direction along the direction that the truck is moving. So there's only the frictional force that's going to be acting on it. And we know that this box is sliding, so we can say that this is going to be a kinetic friction force. And that's going to be equal to the acceleration. And I'm going to specify that this is now the acceleration of the box.